but it's my maximum daily usage subtracted from my average daily usage times my lead time, gives me my safety stock quantity. And so we look at that, and then we start asking ourselves some questions. Maximum daily usage minus average daily usage times my lead time. So whose usage? Is this the usage in production? Is this the usage for sales? Is this the usage for those people in engineering who keep stealing my parts? What is my time frame? When does this matter? Is this a value for summer? Is this a value for winter? Do I have a seasonal business? And then who is tracking this? Who's coming up with these numbers? Where are they being derived from in terms of average daily? And then how much fudge is already in there? If I look at my lead times, is that my true lead time, or have we already put in almost like a margin time, a little bit of time extra? And then I want to look at my trends over time. So if I'm looking at average daily usage, maximum daily usage, is that for the last week, the last month, the last year, the last 5 years? What's changed inside my business that could be changing that? There's the issue that there's too much math. It might work for some products, it might not work for all. So maybe I have to skew this formula for different kinds of items, for different kinds of instances. So how am I going to set that up and be able to track that? And at the end of the day, my safety stock is still planned waste. I am saying to my MRP system, never ever use that inventory. Don't even think you have it. We never ever plan to consume the safety stock level.